Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for market close Thursday, the 1st of May 2025. And we had another stronger day. The S&P's finished up about 0.7%, although they did finish a fair way off their intraday highs. Now, just looking at the daily chart here, you can see we've run into the 61.8% retracement level. So no surprise at all that the market might be struggling here a little bit. We're also at the anchored VWAP level from the start of the year. So these are definitely levels where we would expect to find some technical resistance. But if we just check in with the futures, you can see here we've actually had one close now above the 61. Well, actually, market hasn't closed yet, but where we are above the 61.8% retracement level. So that's fairly key. And we've now got 3 or 4 consecutive closes above this median line. So slowly but surely, the S&P here is getting it done, and barring any very unpleasant trade-related headlines, I think the path of least resistance remains higher. We had some good earnings reactions from stocks like Meta, which finished up 4.25%. Not the most bullish candle, opened at its highs, closed on its lows. Looks like this gap may get filled. We also had earnings out from Microsoft, and the market responded well to Microsoft's beat as well. You can see here the stock finishing up almost over 7.5%. Again, not the most bullish candle, closing on its dead lows for the day, but still a pretty decent gap higher. But it was really Mag7 mega cap tech leading the way again. If you look at the Mag7 ETF, that was up 3%, significantly outperforming both the Nasdaq and the S&P. And if you look at the market map, see, breadth was actually leaning slightly negative. There were more decliners than gainers on the day, and the bright green was all Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, Broadcom, Nvidia. We did have a couple of high-profile earnings misses as well, one from Eli Lilly and the other from Qualcomm. But you can see Mag7 really kind of dominating the show on Thursday. After market on Thursday, we had Amazon was the first of the mega cap tech stocks to report. The result was generally pretty good. The market reaction was a bit meh. Stock falling slightly after market. Of course, we had Apple results out as well. Overall, their earnings beat, but Greater China revenue was below expectations, and that's likely to get worse, not better. The stock was down nearly 4% after market. Today, Friday, we've got non-farm payrolls that'll be released before market. The market's expecting the addition of 130,000 new jobs. Now, this is a number that, rightly or wrongly, the market does focus on and can certainly cause some volatility. The market will be sensitive to soft economic data. The so-called soft data, survey data, has been universally weak. We haven't seen a rollover in the hard data yet. But if we do see jobs undershoot or the unemployment rate overshoot, I think the market would take that negatively. 4 rate cuts are already priced in. We're unlikely to get more than that unless things really, really downgrade from here. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps. I wish you good trading, and I will catch you next week.